Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Zainul Hanaki. I am from excellent class.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Asinur Musika and I'm from MS 105.
Yeah.
So Hanaki, what will we do this night?
Okay, tonight we will take video about daily activity from wake up until sleep again.
Okay, so Hanaki, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 3 o'clock p.m.
Wow,
3
3
o'clock a.m. Of course, after I wake up, I directly go to bathroom to prepare pray tahajud. Yeah, pray tahajud for about maybe for about 30 minutes until I pray tahajud and then study about exercise book, model book, and grammar actually. Yeah. After already, I have already. Of course, I will wait pray subuh. Yeah. After that, maybe for about 3 past 46, I prepare to mosque, and then directly I come to bathroom again because I take a shower or take a bath for about maybe until 4 o'clock, and then after that I directly it already clear. Of course, I prepare to mosque for about 30 minutes in the mosque, and then I directly go back to prepare what's the name prepare yourself to basic.
Go to base, yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course, because I come to BSc for about 4 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, 46 or 45. I open my book again to prepare Mr. Adin's lesson. Of course, it is grammar, CS. CS kalau di sana is my favorite lesson. CS, my favorite lesson.
It's good. So after that?
After that, after I review lesson at 6:47 or 40 at 51 or 55. I directly to prepare to BSc because I come in at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. If we late, we get punishment. After I study at BSc until Mr. Adin's class 1 hour for 7 o'clock until 8 o'clock. After that, we come into Miss Ola's class again about speaking class or pronoun for about 1 hour again. At 9 o'clock we take a rest. To breakfast, buy some food.
What do you have for breakfast?
Actually, I be bread with what name? Milk. And then iced tea, of course, and my favorite drink. And or if not iced tea, I buy orange juice. Then after we take rest 30 minutes, and then we back to basic again to study club with MS. Maybe for about 1 hour we study study club. Study club. After that, maybe for 1 hour after MS class done, and then I back to Miss Ola class again about learn about speaking.
What time do you have class with Miss Ola?
From 11 a.m. until 12 p.m.
I see. So you have extra class with her?
Yes, of course, Miss. I take Miss Ola's class and Mr. Adin class about grammar, and then after Mr. Ola already, maybe for about 1 hour,
Mm.
and then I back to my boarding house, maybe take a rest for about 1 hour, and then I prepare to Mr. Adi's class again because I take grammar also.
Mm.
Mr. Adin maybe for 1 hour again. For 1 hour we
What
study about
time?
grammar. 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Till 3 o'clock. After I already, then I don't have much time for do something. Then I must divide my time. If there is some time empty, of course I will do something like washing, like cooking with my friend in my boarding house. Then if have already, I prepare maybe at 5:45. I prepare to mosque again to pray Maghrib. Pray Maghrib. Prepare at pray Maghrib. Maybe I come to Musalla for about same like subuh 30 minutes, and then I go back to my boarding house to prepare nightly speaking. Nightly speaking with my beloved MS.
Of course.
Yeah.
And then,
I study with my MS about 1 hour. Yeah, Miss, yeah, for about 1 hour. Yes, for about 1 hour. And then if I have, if already have done my study with MS, study with my teacher already in the night. Of course, we learn again about my speech because next week I will be speaker, and will be speech. It's
so do you want to be a best speaker, Hanaki?
of course, yes, one speaker, the speaker, because I need the stamp. Because my stamp is empty.
I hope you can get what you want. So,
Amen.
what time do you usually sleep at the night?
Maybe at 10 o'clock. For 10 o'clock. If I early sleep, of course I early to wake up. Before I sleep, of course I open my speech or my lesson. I repeat my lesson for tomorrow, or lesson in the morning. Yeah. Maybe that's all my daily activity, Miss. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Selesai. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Time is over.
Berapa menit tuh?